This is Neousys Industrial IPC, specializing on, we talk about ruggedized industrial application with the military standard 810H standard requirement. So we have a system, basic system is everything is fanless. Fanless that we use a fin for heat dissipation. Of course, we have other thermal solution. This is a flat top solution with a thermal pad. So in case of some confined space application, the internal they get heat up. So we use a thermal pad attached to the metal part of the machine body. So they use the machine metal part to help to dissipate the heat. These are all targeting for high industrial applications, right? Then we have a Nuvo. This is the latest system with the Intel Ultra Core CPU, or this one with built-in this is MPU processing capability. And then for normal machine AOI, don't talk about automated optical inspection system. This system has a 7 slot because for some application, the user need to have multiple controller card. So this one they have a 7 slot. Of course, we have another system with a 3 slot. And then this also built in with the GPU capability. We can put in a GPU for 150 watt GPU card here. So it has a flexibility to have a controller card and also a 150 watt GPU. But for some application where they need a very, very powerful GPU, this is a monster. This one can put in a 600 watt GPU card. For example, the latest NVIDIA RTX 5090 GPU card. So this one we can actually put it for high modeling training application or even for the autonomous driving bus or vehicle application. Right? We also have some of the add-on card. So for if let's say a customer they have a normal desktop, but they want to add on GPU capability, but they don't want to buy a GPU card. They can actually buy this with the camera. The camera fit into here. This is a frame grabber with a GPU capability built in. So this is an add-on card for frame grabber plus GPU capability. So this is an example of application where we have one of the latest system. This system, very small system, very compact. It comes with the AMD Ryzen CPU. But most important, it has a special slot that can support a RTX 2000 ADA GPU card. So this system, very compact CPU plus a GPU capability. And what we are demonstrating here is for a wafer-level macro AOI capability, where the camera will capture the whole wafer. It captures the whole wafer, and they send the signal to this IPC. Then the GPU will actually analyze, and you have to mark any kind of defect on the wafer. Or the human eye cannot see with the mark, so you can actually capture the defect directly. So of course, if they want to know the defect, we can pause it and zoom in to see the particle or even some scratches. So it's a demonstration of how to use a compact IPC with a GPU to detect small defect.